So this one I think is going to be kind of fun because I'm running a simulation for you guys. So probability rules. There's a lot more that I have in here, but I don't use them. So I did not put them in here. I don't think it's necessary to, if you have, say, a job, to know them. So I only put the ones that I use regularly in here. Probability is the likelihood that something's going to occur. So it's always between 0 and 1. An example is flipping a coin. There's a 50, if it's a fair coin that isn't weighted, there's a 50% chance it's going to be a heads and a 50% chance it's going to be a tails. So it's 0.5 is the probability in that case. Independence is really important. So if there's 2 events that are happening, that if one event occurs, so if you flip a coin and it turns heads, unless you're a really superstitious person, really, if you flip a coin again, it's the first coin flip should not impact the second. Okay. Got the same question. So say if you don't run the function all at the same time, you're going to get an error. You're going to have a plus sign. Yes. To fix that, just put a, or I'm going to, so mean of what is, I'm going to recreate what you guys did. So corruption, doesn't matter. Okay, so you see I didn't close the parenthesis. So it has this plus sign and I can't run anything else until I close it. So if I just, all you have to do is to get rid of that is to, once my computer runs, that closes the parenthesis. That's because you didn't run the function all at the same time. You have to highlight the entire function for it to run correctly. I apologize, I should have said that. But to fix that, just put a parenthesis in and then start over and rerun the code.
We're thinking